Hi friends, this video shows how to try OpenClaw for free without credit. First go to this website OpenClaw.ai, go down. So here you can find command to install OpenClaw. So this is a command to install OpenClaw on Linux machine or Mac OS. I already installed OpenClaw in this AWS instance. This is a command I executed to install OpenClaw. Next I am going to set up OpenClaw using API provider, model and Telegram channel. Let me run this command. OpenClaw onboard. Here select yes. Then select quick start. Let me select API provider open router. Then select open router API key. Here I need to enter open router API key. Go to this website openrouter.ai settings keys. Here you can see create API key. Click on this button, then create one API key. This is free. I already created one API key. Let me paste that API key here. Done. Next I am going to select one model. So here I will be selecting one free model. Let me set this model. Open router Google Gemini 2.5 flashlight preview. Select it. Next I am going to select one channel. Let me select Telegram. Here we need to enter Telegram bot token. Go to Telegram app. Then here type for bot father. Click here. Click on start. Then type /new bot. Enter. Then we need to set name for new bot. So this is a name for my new bot. Enter. Let me enter that name again. See, now new bot is ready. This is a new bot, and here you can see token. So I am going to copy this token. Copy. Go to terminal, paste here. Enter. Configure skills now. Let me select now. Enable hooks. Let me select skip for now. Then enter. Now it's setting up gateway service. Please wait. Okay, done. Now it's asking, do you want to hatch your bot? So we have two options: hatch in terminal UI or open the web UI. So let me set hatch in terminal UI. Okay, ready. Let me test one prompt here. Next I am going to run one prompt. Let me run this prompt. List all the files in my root directory. See, it's working. That means that selected provider open router and that free model is working. This way we can try OpenClaw for free without credit. Next I am going to test this Telegram channel. Let me open this bot. Click on start. So here we need to complete this pairing. Copy this command. Then go to terminal. Exit from this terminal UI. Paste here. Then go to Telegram. Copy this pairing code. Then paste here. Enter. Done. Approved Telegram sender. Let me test. Go to Telegram. Next I am going to test one prompt here. So let me run this prompt. What is the storage of this server? See, it's working. Let me run another prompt. List all the files in my root directory. See, working. This way we can set up and try OpenClaw for free without credit. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.